What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we're taking a look at a fantastic way to upgrade your ride, the Komoot EF037 Double-DIN Car Stereo. If you've been wanting to modernize your dashboard with the latest tech without spending a fortune, you are gonna love this. Let's get started. The Komoot EF037 is a versatile multimedia system designed to bring your vehicle into the modern age. It is all about making your driving experience smoother, safer, and much more connected. The standout feature here is the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Instead of messing with cables every time you get in the car, this unit automatically connects to your smartphone as soon as you turn the engine on. This gives you instant access to your favorite navigation apps, music, and messages directly on the large 7-inch touchscreen. The display itself is really impressive. It is a high-definition IPS screen with a resolution of 1024 by 600. This means you get vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, which is perfect for seeing your maps clearly, even in bright sunlight. It also features a mirror link function, which lets you cast videos or movies from your phone to the screen when you are parked and taking a break. Safety is built right into the design of the Komoot system. Because it integrates perfectly with Siri and Google Assistant, you can control almost everything using just your voice. Whether you need to reply to a text or find the nearest coffee shop, you can keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. It even hooks up to your vehicle's factory steering wheel controls, making it effortless to adjust the volume or skip songs while driving. For anyone who finds parking a bit stressful, the included backup camera is a total lifesaver. It is equipped with 12 LED lights for excellent night vision. As soon as you shift into reverse, the screen automatically switches to the rear view, giving you a wide-angle and clear picture of what is behind you. This makes squeezing into tight city spots or navigating dark driveways much easier and safer. The unit also features independent Bluetooth for high-quality audio streaming and crystal-clear hands-free calls. It is designed to fit standard double-DIN openings of 178 by 103 millimeters. This stereo is the perfect choice for commuters, families on road trips, or anyone driving an older car who wants those high-end features found in brand-new models. It combines a sleek look with durable performance to really transform your time behind the wheel. It is time to take your in-car entertainment and safety to the next level. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals for your vehicle. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech finds. Thanks for watching and drive safe.